Say's baby was welcomed into the world with reports of a custom $50,000 stroller and a nursery larger than many homes in America, like 20,000 square feet. What? Well, not a whole lot of people can afford these A-list items, but lifestyle expert Sue Brudding is here with some celebrity swag you can afford. Welcome, hon. I really appreciate this.
Thanks so nice to meet you.
So this is really cool stuff that you see celebrity kids photographed in or hanging out with, but things that us normal people can afford.
Let's keep it all under $100, okay?
I like that. It's perfect.
All right. So let's start with Sandra Bullock.
My favorites.
Oh, yes. Her darling little boy carries this backpack from Stephen Joseph Gifts. It is a little monkey backpack. It unzips in the back, and it's so adorable. Stephen Joseph Gifts also, young style icons like Suri Cruise wear these adorable rain boots.
Oh, everyone's about Suri. She's very fashion forward.
Oh, she sure is. And Jessica Parker's son carries this rain. We won't open it.
Umbrella.
We do not want bad luck.
So James Wilkie uses this little umbrella in New York City. That's
pirate.
so cute. I like that.
Yes, he does. And so that's Stephen Joseph Gifts.
Molar Muncher. Pacifiers. They're molar munchers.
Yes, they are. They look just like pacifiers, but they're really a new innovation where they go all around the molars. They don't affect the teeth, and they're a thing that moms like Sarah Drew from Grey's Anatomy went crazy over at the Golden Globes, and so they are a really good thing to just comfort the baby and comfort the molars.
So what about the glasses here? These are so cute.
Oh my goodness. Well, Kourtney Kardashian, in the last couple of weeks, her son has been seen with Kuchaloo baby shirts.
That's cute. I'm going to try the little yellow ones here.
Yes, there he is wearing Mason, wearing a darling little shirt, but they also have a brand new line.
Do I instantly look younger, like childlike?
Fabulous, girl. I love them. So I guess they could be for young ladies as well.
I think you need a bigger size. You want to match your child.
Yes.
That's a very cute. Those are stylish.
Baby, those are the hottest things. And they have the Jackie O glasses. They have Aviator. You match what mom would love to wear with the baby. And
okay, now it's time for my Matthew McConaughey impersonation. All right, all right, all right. This is what Matthew McConaughey's kids wear, right?
Yes, yes. Let's do a grand finale with Matthew McConaughey. Let's see a picture of him at the beach with his child wearing UV skins. UV skins, they are...
Oh, he's not shirtless. That's all right.
Oh, darn. They're sunblock clothing. They are high quality, and so instead of putting on sunblock, this is so great for moms in Las Vegas.
Yes.
Instead of putting the sunblock on, these are so cute. They're colorful. They're darling, and all kinds of... Marcia Cross, her children wear them, and
real quickly, you said there's something for mom that you want to show. Make sure you have time for.
Yes,
this is a cute robe. So a mom-to-be, or if you've had the child, there's a cute robe. You said Heidi Klum, like, you'll wear these.
A lot of the celebs, you know, there's a baby boom in Hollywood, and a lot of the moms, they don't want the frumpy white functional bra, and so they are wearing this beautiful lingerie by Cake Lingerie, and this is some of the sleepwear that I brought, and you can wear it during pregnancy, you can wear it after when you're sort of lounging and or nursing or breastfeeding, and you can also wear it after.
I'm buying that even if I'm not pregnant. Okay, thank you so much, Sue. These are really cute, all under $100, and more information on our website. But I think a little monkey backpack would look cute with you, Sean.
You think so, huh?
Yeah, you can go with your Paddington Bear that's on your desk.
It would be perfect to bring all my stuff to work in every day.
There you go.
Excellent. Thanks, Rach. Well, he can